Welcome to the best picks. The best shifter adapter is probably one of the most versatile and crucial components for cyclists who want to upgrade or customize their bike setup, enabling seamless compatibility between different group sets and enhancing the overall riding experience. This video will dive deep into the world of shifter adapters, exploring their functionalities, benefits, and essential considerations for making an informed purchase decision, helping you find the perfect adapter to match your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. Black Shift Knob Adapter Kit. This adapter kit is designed to fit most non-threaded manual shifters. Make sure to check your shifter diameter before ordering to ensure compatibility. It features a 12mm x 1.25mm thread pitch with a 14mm inner diameter. The kit also includes plastic hoses in various sizes, 8mm, 10mm, 11mm, and 12mm, for a customized fit. This adapter helps you operate gear changes smoothly and efficiently, giving you better control over your vehicle's speed. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's built to last. It's wear-resistant and not easily broken, ensuring a long service life. The kit includes everything you need for installation: the adapter, plastic hoses, screws, and a wrench. Professional installation is recommended. Replace your old or broken shifter adapter with this superior upgrade. Enjoy improved control and a more satisfying driving experience. What we like. It comes with various size adapters to fit different shifters. This ensures a secure and reliable connection, unlike some flimsy alternatives. If you need a versatile and long-lasting adapter, this is the one for you. What people say. If your car's shifter doesn't have threads on it and you want it to so you can change your shifter, this is perfect for you. I use it on my Camaro and it's on there tight. I can easily switch shift knobs without it taking anything apart. Be sure to measure your shifter to make sure this adapter fits. Worked for my 2013 Cruise with the press-on shift knob. I did have to trim the bottom a bit to clear the reverse lockout without making it too tall. The included rubber adapters are way too tight to fit, so I just didn't use them. Be aware, it's very light fragile. There is no need to crank down on anything, just snug the set screws up. Very nice adapter, made of metal, fits perfect, came with adapter sleeves as well. Plenty of set screws for a movement-free fit. Number 4. Universal Gear Shift Adapter. This adapter is designed to fit most non-threaded shifters, making it a versatile addition to your vehicle. It's built to last with high-strength, corrosion-resistant materials. It's made from durable anodized aluminum, ensuring it won't break easily and will withstand daily use. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. With an external thread pitch of M12 x 1.25 and an internal diameter of 13mm, it's designed for a precise and secure fit on your shifter. It's compatible with many vehicles. It fits many manual transmissions, including BMW, VW, Jeep, Saturn, and Fiat. Always double-check your shifter diameter before ordering to ensure compatibility. Installation is simple and straightforward. The package includes everything you need: the adapter, screws, a hex key, and plastic hoses in various sizes. You'll be ready to go in minutes. Enjoy a more secure and comfortable shifting experience. This adapter is a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Get yours today. What we like. Made from strong, corrosion-resistant anodized aluminum, it's built to withstand wear and tear. Its precise threading ensures a perfect fit for many vehicles. If you prioritize durability and a secure fit, this adapter is your best bet. What people say. It's a perfect fit, nice and snug. Just what I needed to extend the shifter. This metal adapter is well made. Number 3. Blue Shifter Extender. This extender is designed to improve your shifting experience. It's compatible with many vehicles, making it a versatile upgrade for your car. It works with a wide range of cars, including many Honda and Acura models. Check the adapter sizes to ensure compatibility with your vehicle. This extender comes with 4 adapters to fit various shifter rod sizes. This ensures a secure and compatible fit for your specific vehicle. Adjust the height to your preference for optimal comfort and shifting feel. The adjustable design allows for a personalized driving experience. It's made from durable aluminum alloy with an anodized finish for lasting quality and a smooth feel. Enjoy the enhanced look and feel of this upgrade. Installation is simple and straightforward. Just remove your old knob, attach the extender, and reinstall your knob. A hex wrench is included for secure tightening. What we like. This adapter offers adjustability for customized comfort and control. It also includes multiple adapters for broader compatibility. If you want a comfortable and personalized driving experience, choose this one. What people say. Was installed in minutes. In just a matter of a few minutes it was a brand new stick. I saw in some comments it comes loose, but I put a dab of red Loctite on each set screw and Shazam. No loose screws and I love it. Number 2. Brass shift knob adapters. It's time to enhance your driving pleasure. This kit provides a secure and effortless connection between your gear knob and shifter. With sizes M8x 1.25, M10x 1.25, and M10x 1.5, it ensures compatibility with various shift knobs. Find the perfect fit for your vehicle. Made from high-quality brass, it offers superior durability and wear resistance. Enjoy a long-lasting, reliable connection. Installation is a breeze. Its smooth threads allow for quick and easy attachment without any modifications to your vehicle. Perfect for enthusiasts, it simplifies the process of attaching the reverse gear locking lever and shift boot assembly. Get a professional finish with ease. This kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing setup, providing a secure and reliable connection for your gear knob. What we like. Made of durable brass for a secure grip and long life. It offers various sizes to match your needs. If you value a simple, secure, and long-lasting solution, this is a great choice. What people say. Purchased for my Maxima, to use with a Subaru manual shift knob. Found the correct fitting and all is good. I saw other with 2 pieces for more $. Number 1. Muge Racing Shift Knob Adapters. It's designed to work with various vehicles, making it a versatile choice for many drivers. No matter your car's make or model, it's likely to be compatible. This kit is made from high-quality brass, ensuring it's sturdy and long-lasting. You can trust it to withstand daily wear and tear. The kit includes 3 adapters in different sizes, M8x 1.25, M10x 1.25, and M10x 1.5. This ensures a perfect fit for your specific shift knob. Installation is a breeze. It's a direct replacement, requiring no modifications to your vehicle. Simply screw it on and you're ready to go. The package contains 3 brass shift knob adapters in different sizes. Before ordering, please double-check your shift knob's thread size to ensure a proper fit. These adapters are the perfect way to customize your ride and enhance your driving experience. They are durable, easy to install, and offer a perfect fit. What we like. These adapters are made from high-quality brass, ensuring a tight and reliable connection. The variety of sizes makes it compatible with many vehicles. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Fits na Miata. Seemed like good quality adapters when I tried to use them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.